know what this keyboard sound likes? Okay, this one. And this keyboard sound, what does it sound like? Actually, I brought this Windows. This one looks like a different one. But you guys have to comment what the keyboards sound like.